What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is hot, but yeah, I'm back. I know it's been a while, and last time I said I was going to take the Camaro to the track, and I haven't done it because we've been busy and it's been raining. And finally today it's not raining, but it's super hot, but we still decided to come to OSW. I did tech the Camaro's out there. I might run later on today. I'm here to follow some of the cars. Let's get right to it. So we have Eddy. Eddy has a Gen 350. It has header, Palm Beach dyno tune, E85, big fat PS4S. He says a little bald. You got Rob in the Grand Sport. The Grand Sport is stock. And yes, before you ask, the RS3 is gone, the Supra is gone, the Porsche is gone. It's just the Corvette, and we'll get into why later. We got Danny with the ATSV. What are we running, Danny?
Try for 10.9, 10.8.
10.9. That's the goal. 10.9. 10.9. Last time you ran like 11.3, 4?
11.3.
3? 11.3. And what you done since then?
All the fuel mods for E. So running E70 now.
Ooh, E70. Ooh, it's gonna be interesting. And we got Pat with the GT350. Pat and jeans. You will never see that probably after this ever.
Flip flops, no flip flops.
Oh, no flip flops. Yeah, they just jeans is like never seen you in jeans.
No, it's not really me.
So we got GT350, Palm Beach dyno tune, headers. You put corn in it?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's got corn. So we'll see. We'll see. He did his clutch too, and he's got all 888Rs. So we'll see how those stick. And also, I forgot to mention, Ariel is on his way, and Dwayne, and they both got Ecoboost. I don't know Dwayne's times. He's like a 12-volt Ecoboost. Ariel is dipped into the mid-11s, but he changed his setup. So we're gonna see where he sits at today. He's kind of like tuning and working on that. So hopefully he'll stay there. He says he'll run higher, so we'll see. And then of course, we got the Camaro that you haven't seen in a while. But it is dirty, full weight and everything. It's gonna air down the tires. So if I decide to go run, I'm ready to go. Dwayne and the Ecoboost. Pat versus Dwayne. You let off early, dude. Damn, I just missed the badass burnout by Ariel. It's hot.
It is.
Hot. What'd you run again?
12.1.
12.1. Everybody ran 12s.
He ran like a 12.6.
Yeah, everybody ran 12s. Oh, is it 12.6? 12.6? 12.6? Hot ass day. You go kind of weird leaving 2 off the line.
Yeah, and then it leaves right after.
No. Did you use launch control? No, don't use it. Foot brake. Danny got an 11.1. You still want to race, homie?
I'm alright. It's hot. It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot as balls.
This ain't helping me.
It's hot.
First pass, I'm okay with that. Not a 13.
No, it's good. Now you gotta take that traction control all the way off. You're gonna stick. Just turn it off. You'll be fine. Almost there, homie. Almost there. 11.1 at 125, right?
Yeah.
Woo!
It's the altitude's killing us.
Yeah, it's hot. You didn't spin. You're right. You didn't spin.
No, I'm gonna
I didn't see it. I didn't see any spin. So
I'm gonna launch it a little higher.
yeah, do that.
I wasn't even looking at the RPM before I launched, so I'm not focused on now. So I can run
Yeah. 12.1, homie. What was the mile per hour? I forgot.
117.
12.1, 117. 2.0, 60 foot. 2.1. All you gotta do is the launch. If you do better on the launch, you get that 11.9.
12, yeah.
You get into the 11s. It sounded badass.
My,
It sounded badass. This is popping.
At the top end, my splitter, I think, was fucking
Shaking.
shaking. I think it was.
I was like, he was going, and I'm like, shift. I was like, it's fucking shift. Never mind. It's like,
Hold it.
shit. I was like, God damn. Ariel, what happened, man?
Mano, se trae lo que hizo, no tiene...
The heat?
No mete casi ni bus ni adelanta grado.
See, he shipped Gearz to 373s, but he didn't do the trans brake, so he didn't build no boost. He just wanted to see how it left on the differential. So now he's gonna use the trans brake and the 373, see how it works out. All right, so they all ran a second time. Everybody's still in the 12s versus Danny. Danny even ran 11.4, I believe. It's just hot outside, so. But Camaro's been cooling down, so I'm gonna line it up and see who's waiting for me. If not, see they're all waiting there, so we're gonna line up unless nobody else is gonna run. So, brought the Camaro, gonna run Eddy. He just ran at 11.8, so if he fucks up, I'll beat him. If not, I'm gonna get gas. But he's definitely got the power since he's Palm Beach Dyno Tune, E85 headers. It's got big tires, but he says they're slick. Not slick, like they don't have any threat. So Camaro GT50 stock. All right, so I just ran Eddy. He got 11.8. I got a 12.3, 112. So I think that's kind of about what I was doing stock. And then I did the 12.0 when I put these wheels. I took the wing off and I took the passenger seat. So, but it's super hot today. So that's the difference. Like on a cold day, I was doing 12.0 at 119, and it's so hot. I do 12.3 at 112. It's crazy. But now I'm running Marty, so we'll leave that run for his video.
You gotta take advantage while you can.
Yes. Yeah.
Because after
I'm gonna run him now because he's got a fucking tune and a downpipe waiting for him, and then I'm done. I'll be fucked because I ain't tuning anytime soon. Alright, so that's it. That's the end of the night. I ended up running, as you can see, 12.3, 12.4. But everybody did good. We're all driving home. Even Pat. Pat got 2 passes. He left earlier, but he got his feet wet with the new setup, you know, with some corn and headers and the new clutch. And he was low 12s, so pretty good just for his first time running out. He just got to get a little bit more time on it, but really the car's made for turns, so that's what we're gonna end up doing eventually. And then Rob with the new Grand Sport to him, he got 12.4 was personal best. Eddy got 11.8, and he just beat Audi S4 that's been wanting to run him, and he's been running 11.5s all night. He treated him and he beat him, so there you go. Not only because you're fast, you gotta be able to get out of the light when you're racing heads up. It's not about time, it's about who gets there first. The Scat ran 12.5, and then you got Danny with the ATSV. His best was the first run. He did 11.1, but then he went up to 11.2 or 3 and 4 and 5. He kept going up. So the car's probably like super heat soaked, and it's just taking timing away and everything. So yeah, it's a good night. We all came, we run, we're driving home. So yeah. See you guys the next time. If you liked everything, you know, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments about anything. Yep. See you next time. Peace.